Welcome to Smart Kids! Get ready to clap, sing, and learn your alphabet with us! A is for apple, red and sweet. Can you say A, 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 A? B is for ball, who bounce it high. Say B with me. B, B, B.
C is for cat, soft and cute. Say C, C, C.
D is for dog, to pee. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Say D, D, D. E is for elephant, to play. Say E, E, E.
F is for fish, she is swimming fast. Say F, 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 F. G is for giraffe coming to chorus so tall. Say G, G, G. H is for hat on your head. Say H, H, H.
J is for jump up and down. Say J, J, J.
K is for kite flying high. Say K, K, K.
L is for lion, roar like me. Say L, L, L.
M is for monkey key, swing in the trees. Say M, M, M. N is for nest of pemmican, birds sleep there. Say N, N, N.
O is for owlbee, nighttime bird. Say O, O, O.
P is for penguin pond, waddling fun. Say P, P, P. Q is for queen, so royal. Say Q, Q, Q. R is for rainbow, full of colors. Say R, R.
S is for sun up, shining bright. Say S, 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 S. T is for tiger, jump, tug, T, stripes and growls. Say T, T, T.
U is for umbrella eats out. When it rains, say U, U, U.
It's for violin, play a tune. Say B, B, B.
W is for whale, big and blue. Say W, W, W. X is for xylophone, make music. Say X, X, X. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Say Y, Y, Y. Z is for zebra and white stripes, black and white stripes. Say Z, Z, Z. Wow! We've learned all the letters from I to Z together. Great job, little learners!